What's up, everybody? Today, I am here with Nursultan Ruzabayev, Uzbekistan's finest. How are we doing today?
Good. Thank you.
Yes. All right, well, let's just get into it. You're set to face off Brian Battle at UFC 319. What do you think of him as your opponent?
Brian Battle bilan nima deb o'ylaysan deb UFC 316.
Brian Battle'da bo'ylarini ko'rib yurganman o'zim. Hamma bo'yini ko'rganman. UFC'da yaxshi, o'ziga yarasha nomi bor. Bu bilan urushni o'zim xohlaganman. Menejerlarim Brian Battle'da sirazi tashaganda o'zim bittada rozi bo'ldim. Chunki bu bo'yda 77 kiloda urishdan shu bilan urushaman deb o'zim niyat qilardim.
So Brian Battle is a tough fighter. I watch him all fight in the UFC. His fight when my management is sending his name, I take this fight because before I want to fight him in the mid in welterweight. So this is good match for me, you know.
Definitely. I definitely think that's a good matchup.
Yeah.
You've been training with Coach John Marquise in Philadelphia. When did you join his gym, and how has the experience been so far?
Sen Kojon bilan trafda qilasan, qanaqa opitlar deydi, nima deb ayta olasan
Bu bizni Marcos MMA zalimizda UFC bayeslar bor. 77 kiloda top bayeslar, 84 kiloda ham top bayeslar bor. Shular bilan birga ishlayapman. Har bo'ydan bo'yga o'zgarish bo'lyapti, zo'r hammasi.
Yes, we have as welterweight and middleweight fighters in the Marcos gym with Kojon. I worked like almost 3 years, so I have a lot of experience with this gym. You know that because a lot of fighters here, tough fighters. Uh, uh, so every fight, I'm getting better. You know,
Yeah.
like step by step, I'm getting better. I feel like this. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, listen, that's definitely a great gym to stay at. But also another question, are you staying full time in the US right now, or do you mostly live in Uzbekistan?
Bir yildan beri уже Amerikadaman. Уже ikkita bo'y o'tkazdim. Hozir bu avgustda 3-bo'yim bo'ladi. Xudo xolasa shu bo'yda o'tkazib keyin ketish niyatim bor.
Yeah, last 1 years I still in United States. I fight a couple fight. So after fight tour, I want to come back home. You know, that's why I still here. I training. I keep fighting. Like after this fight, maybe I go back home and I want to enjoy this.
Also, I'm just wondering, I feel like the fans are too. Are you going to try to learn English, or you don't really care at the moment?
Mana farqi просто so'rabman. Inglizchani o'rganishga harakat qilyapsan yo farqi yo'qmisan?
Inglizchani zalda sportiniy holatda trenirovkalarda sopernigim bilan birga tushunaman. Men bu gaplashishga ozgina qiynalaman. Sal tushunyapman, atvet berishga sal qiynalyapman. Lekin xudo xolasa sekin hammasini to'g'rilaymiz.
Yeah, also I understand English only in gym, you know. That's because we're training every day 2 times. And when coach might say something, I understand in gym, but outside gym I don't understand. But I try understand, so you know. But
Yeah.
I try learn like.
That's good. Yeah, English is definitely a great language to learn. Also, we're talking about you living in America now. How is your life in America so far? Can you imagine? Can you imagine settling down here and growing up and having a family here?
O'ylanishidan yoki qandaydir hayotlar ketibdi
O'zi
Amerikadagi.
2 yildan 3 yildan beri Amerikadaman. 2 yil O'zbekistonga borib kelib yurdim. Hozir green cardga topshirganman. Shu uchun Amerikada qolishga majburman. Yaqinda dokumentim chiqsa, xudo xolasa ketaman. Oilam O'zbekistonda. Shu uchun ozgina qiyin. Agar oilam yonimda bo'lsa, hammasi zo'r bo'ladi.
Yes, when I come United States, like couple years, I go back home. I come for fight camp, and then after fight, I go back to home. You know, this last years I still in United States because I'm working on my green card right now. I'm waiting for because I'm here still in United States, and also my family in my country, Uzbekistan. So I think so very soon I take my green card and I want to go back home. And yeah, life is good in United States, but only I'm training home like that.
Mhm. Well, let's talk about your physical traits and your weight cutting. You're one of the tallest fighters ever in the welterweight division, possibly even in the middleweight history. Do you feel your height gives you more advantages or disadvantages inside the cage?
Sen de UFC istoriyasida bu uzunlardan bittasidir shu. Welterweightdan ham kengsiz, shu o'sha middleweightdan ham. Physically trainering qanaqa? Keyin qanday vez tashlashlar kim o'sha unaqa
Meni
buni?
UFC'da bitta bo'yim 77 kiloda bo'lgan, Bakli bilan, Joaquin Bakli bilan. Bu bo'yi menga men Atlantic City'da Cedric Dumov bilan urushganimdan keyin bir kun ham trenovka qilmadim. Saudiya Arabistoniga ketdim umraga. Menejerim telefon qildi, Bakli bilan bo'y taklif qildi. Bir kun ham trenovka qilmagan edim. Shu sabab vezganat qildim xolos. Bo'yga chiqib ozgina charchadim tayyor emasligim uchun. Agar formada bo'lib 2 oy tayyorgarlik ko'rganimda Bakli bilan boshqacha bo'y ko'rsatgan bo'lardim. Buni odamlarga tushuntira olmadim, lekin tushuntirish niyatim ham qolmadi endi. Nimaga? Bo'yga tayyorgarlik ko'rib, bo'yga chiqyapman, rezultati yaxshi bo'lyapti.
So yeah, when I cut weight for welterweight, uh, that time I have the fight in Atlantic City, if you remember. So after fight, I go to Saudi Arabia. I did Umrah. Like, I never training after this fight in Atlantic City, and my management has called me. I'm enjoying the fight. My management called me and he say after 20 days you want to fight with Buckley, but I take this fight with Buckley. Uh, I want to explain for the people's. Uh, I lost this fight about my. I'm tired. That's why I lost, because I never training for this fight. I can did fight camp for this fight. I'm just wait cut 10 day and I go to back, and that's why I can show like my skills.
Mhm.
And for me no hard weight cut for welterweight for middleweight. For me is easy, right? Osonroq vez tashlash.
77 kiloga bir hafta 10 kunda vez qilardim. 84 kiloga bir kunda vez qilardim. Shuning uchun men 77 ni ko'p xohlagan edim. Lekin hozir vesimni ko'targanman. Shuning uchun 84 kilo hozir menga yaxshi.
Yeah, so before I want to fight in welterweight because I weight cut like 20 pounds for the welterweight. So for middleweight, I can cut like for one day. For me that's it for one day. Now my focus for middleweight. I want to fight in middleweight right now, and
Vesim katta hozir.
yeah, because my way right now is going up right now. That's why I want to instill in a middleweight.
I know you said you wanted to fight in middleweight, but would you want that rematch with Joaquin Buckley or no?
Man tushunayapman, qo'rqmoqchisan bu, lekin xohlabsanmi revansh bilan yo'qmi taklifni?
Bakli bilan revanshni xohlaymanda. Agar menga 2 oy vaqt bersa, Bakli bilan urushga 2 oy vaqt bersa, 2 oy tayyorgarlik ko'rib Bakli bilan revanshni xohlayman. Lekin hozir Bakli topda 77 kiloda 7-nomermi shunaqa. Shuning uchun hamma narsani o'zini vaqt soati bor. Xudo xolasa, lekin niyatim bor Bakli bilan revansh olishga, Baklidan.
Yes, of course I wanna rematch with him because if UFC give me like couple months for this fight, if I have the camp for this fight, of course I wanna fight with him. I want to rematch with him, but I don't know what's going on right now. I'm still in middleweight. We'll see what happens.
Mhm. Well, let's talk about your fan base now. You nearly have 2 million followers on Instagram, more than some UFC champions, more than most UFC champions. Is that mostly due to the strong support from fans in Uzbekistan?
Sal chala tushing.
aytibdi, "Давай fanatlaring haqida gaplashaylik. Sanda deb 2 million подписчикларing bor. UFC chempionlardan ham buncha подписчиги yo'q" debdi.
Menimcha O'zbekistonda
Bu hammasi O'zbekistondan, O'zbekistonliklarmidir?
menimcha O'zbekistonda birinchi bo'ylarimni boshlaganimda shu O'zbekistonda kam odam urushgan edi MMA'da. Shuning uchun keyin bir oyda 3 ta 4 ta bo'y o'tkazganman. Ko'p bo'y o'tkazganman. Hozir UFC meni sherdogimni, rekordimni bir 4 ta 5 tasini orqaga qaytarib yuborgan. O'zi qo'shsa bundan ham oshib ketadi. Pashti 50 tadan oshiq, 50 tadan oshiq, 60 tadan oshiq bo'y urishganman. Shuning uchun O'zbekistonda ko'p baleshi Centralniy Aziya. Qozog'iston, Qirg'iziston, Tojikiston, O'zbekiston, Rossiyada. Hozir Amerikada 1 yildan beri chetdaman, UFC'da 4 ta 5 ta bo'y urishdim. Hozir amerikanskiy fanatlar ham hozir ko'paydi.
So when I start my MMA career, long time ago, almost like couple fighters in Uzbekistan. I did that time in month like 3 fight, 4 fight. I have a lot of fight, and maybe that's why I have a lot of fans from Uzbekistan. So
UFC
UFC, he said UFC, cut my 3-4 fight in Sherdog in Topology. So if added this Topology, maybe 15 fight I have to right now. So right now I feeling I have fans from United States. I feel like that. So yeah.
He 100% has fans from United States, obviously. And also, for those unfamiliar, what is Uzbekistan like culturally? Is it more traditional and Muslim majority or closer to Western Russian lifestyle and cities?
Say again, please.
Here. All right. For those unfamiliar, what is Uzbekistan like culturally? Is it more traditional and Muslim majority or closer to Western Russian lifestyle and cities?
O'zbekistonlarga Rossiyaga o'xshagan stilda
O'zbekiston polni musulmonlar. Bor, Rossiyadan, boshqa davlatlardan ham odam bor, lekin musulmon davlat O'zbekiston. Shu.
This is Uslayman deyman. So yeah, in Uzbekistan all like people's is Muslim, style. So the Russian, of course, is different a little bit, but we have all Muslim in Uzbekistan.
Okay. And also, a very interesting popular sport is called, I don't know if I can pronounce this right, but Kokpar. Can you explain what that is to the watchers who have never heard of it?
You say Kodbal?
Yeah.
Football, right?
It's with the horses?
Horses ot bilan nima sport bormi? Ot.
Ot sportlari bor. Uloq.
Uloq. Yeah. We have.
Yeah, can you explain what that is to the people who don't know who that is? With the goat and everything?
Bu ot sporti o'zi aslida Qirg'iziston, Qozog'istonda kuchli. Uloq deyiladi bu, ko'pkari deyiladi uloq. Bu komanda ham bo'ladi, 5 ga 5 bo'ladi, o'rtada bitta varata bo'ladi, 5 ga 5. Shuni ichiga tashaladi, общий 100 ta, 200 ta, 1000 ta otlar bilan marraga olib keladigan shunaqa o'yin bu. Sovrinlar bo'ladi, o'yin bu.
Yeah, this is like game, this is popular like from this sport from like Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. So this is game you need to be 5 versus 5 and with horses, and in the middle of it, and like when you play soccer like that, so I think 1,000, 2,000 people with horses,
Wow.
Yeah, like that's one is priest in the like maybe like money, maybe car, something, So 200 horses like playing for this one champion. Yeah, after the interview, I send you like the video.
Oh, you're gonna send me a video?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, can you ask, does he play it? Does he ride horses and play the game?
O'ynaganmisiz debdi.
Men uyimda ham 2 ta 3 ta ot bor. O'zim chiqmaganman, lekin akam ukam o'yinga chiqadi, chopib turishadi otni.
Yeah, I have in my house is a couple horse. So is a yeah. I didn't play this, but my brothers is playing. You know, but we have a couple horse. Yeah, we're playing. My brothers is playing. You know.
That's crazy. I feel like I would fall off the horse.
Yeah.
All right. So let's talk about your personal life. Brian Battle is married and has 2 kids. There's not much to know about your personal life. Are you married?
Sen şimdi hayatı uylangan mısındır?
Uylanganmisan? Ha, uylanganman. 2 ta o'g'lim bor. Bittasi 3 yosh, bittasi 2 yosh. Xudo xolasa, nasib bo'yda o'tkazib ketaman oldilariga.
Yes, I have family. I'm married. Like I have 2 kids, 2 boys. So one is 3 years. Second one is 2 years. 2 years old. 3 years old. 2 years old.
That's cool. Are you going to let them train MMA?
O'zing katta bo'lsin keyinda.
Yeah, maybe a little bit time. We need the time. He grew up and then so of course he gonna training MMA. You know.
That's awesome.
UFC fighter.
UFC fighter.
Yeah.
Also, if or actually, yeah, that's yeah. Can you explain how you got the nickname Black?
Meni ikkita trenerim bor, coach. Ikkita trenerim bor. Eng kattasi oldin sal bundan ham qoraroq bo'lganman. Shu uchun просто Black deb nom qo'yib qo'ygan. O'zim 3-4 ta, 5 ta, 6 ta bo'yimdan keyin buni qoraligini keyin bilganman. O'zimga yoqib qolgan, shu bilan dalish qolib ketgan.
Yeah, I have a coach. My coach, first coach in Nodir. His name Nodir. So before I started training MMA, I've been like black. So before like that, you know. So he called me like black, speaking Uzbek. So after that, I understand what's the translator is black, you know. Then is still so right now.
O'zimga yoqadi.
Yeah, I like this my nickname, you know.
It's definitely yeah. I was wondering. I was really confused. But also, your brother, his nickname is Black Junior. That's his nickname. Do you think we could see him in the UFC someday?
Ukam.
Okay, Zahid aytibdi. Uni ham oti Black Junior ki.
Yana qaytadim deb ketadi.
You say he returned for UFC, you say? Like,
Yeah, could we see him in the UFC?
qaytadim UFC'ga.
Xudo xolasa ukam shu bir hafta, 2 haftada Amerikaga keladi. Kelsa yana trenovkani qilib, yana ajdani shu kutamiz. Momenti bo'lishiga sraz UFC'ga kiradi, lekin boshqa ligada bo'y qilmaydi.
Yeah, so after couple of weeks he's come United States, so he start training. So we're gonna wait for next opportunity, you know. Well, I want to only him in UFC fight, but I don't want his fight is different promotion. I want to fight in only his UFC like fighting.
Oh no, his brother, your brother, his nickname is Black Junior.
Yeah. He's Black Junior. Yeah.
O'zi qiziqib qo'ygan. Meni ukamlarga shu o'zi qiziqib qo'ydi.
Yeah, he's like it. He's also like it. Is black. That's he put like his self. You know, he say, I like this black. I'm the Black Junior. Like.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's little.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, that would be cool to see. That'd be cool to see him also in the UFC, just like you. And also, Duplessis and Hamzat headlines your card at UFC 319. How do you think that fight's going to play out?
Hamzat boy bo'ladi debdi. O'sha bitta kartda. Nima deb o'ylaysan o'sha degan?
Men o'ylayman, Hamzat uni tugatadi.
I think so. Is Hamzat is finishing, you know.
Oh wow. I don't know because Duplessis, he has some weird fighting style.
Men katta ketmayman, lekin Duplessis chempion dokazat qildi, ko'pchilikni yutdi, lekin men o'zimni qarashimda Duplessis to'g'ri udar otishni ham bilmaydi. To'g'risi bo'y bo'lsa, u bilan urushgan bo'lardi.
So yeah, so of course I respect him. Duplessis is a champion right now. You know,
Mening fikrim.
yeah, my mind. So my mind say like I think so. He's a champion, but he can through punch. You know, yeah. So if
To'g'ri
yeah,
otdi, udardi.
he's like different fighter. You know how was to say like he's not through punching like
Yaxshi o'tarmaydi. No good punch.
yeah, no good like he's doing combination no good. You know, yeah, Duplessis. But
Ooh, that's a shot at Duplessis. Would you like to face him one day?
yeah, if you see give me opportunity, I want to fight this with Duplessis. You know,
How would that go?
qanday bu ketadi deb turdi.
Men adashmasam Duplessis bilan Whittaker bo'yi bo'ladigan hafta UFC payida Duplessisni ko'rgan edim. Sparring ishlayap turdi, kim bilandir. Men o'zim o'yladim, Whittaker nokaut qiladi deb o'yladim. Keyin qandaydir bo'lib bu yutib qo'ydi. Bu tushunmadim. Xullas qandaydir Duplessisni urish chempion, gap so'z yo'q, lekin qandaydir yoqmaydi urishlari.
So when I've been in a UFC PI in Las Vegas,
Mhm.
I see him how's going his training camp. So I see his how's training. So I didn't like him style, you know. But I don't know how is the win is Whittaker that fight, but I don't like him his fight style.
He doesn't like his fight style. His fight style is weird. Definitely. It's a weird fight style. Also, are there any fighters that you look up to in the UFC?
Say again.
Are there any fighters that you look up to in the UFC?
UFC'da qaysi boy ko'rmoqchisiz debdi. He's looking like what fight is looking in the UFC?
No, who like are there any UFC fighters that he looks up to that he thinks are really good fighters?
Kimni ko'ribsiz o'ziz UFC'da konkretно cho'qqi bayas o'qish.
Men boshida o'zi birinchi MMA'ni ko'rishimda Fyodor Emeliankovni ko'rganman, zo'r. Habib Nurmagomedov va Jon Jons. Shu ikkalasini bo'ylarini ko'rib fanat bo'lganman. Hozir yaxshi bayslar ko'p. Endi bittasini hozir ayta olmayman, lekin yaxshi bayslar ko'p.
Yeah, when I watch UFC and I like style
Fyodor
in MMA in Fedor Emelianenko, Jon Jones and Habib Nurmagomedov. So I like these fighters, but of course right now is a lot of fighters is very tough, very good fighters in the UFC. But I like a lot of fighters, but I can say name, but is I know is have a lot of fighters and good fighters in the UFC right now.
Oh yeah, that. I feel like the welterweight division is stacked. But also, could you maybe enlighten the fans maybe a little fact about Uzbekistan that no one knows?
In Uzbekistan, say again, please.
Could you maybe tell the fans something that people don't know about Uzbekistan?
Biron narsa fanatlar, O'zbekiston fanatlari yo'q.
O'zbekistonga nima deyman? O'zbekistonliklar fanatlar duo qilib turinglar, qo'llab-quvvatlab turinglar, doimga o'xshab padishga qilib turinglar. Xudo xolasa bu bo'yda ham chiroyli o'tkazib, yutib O'zbekiston bayrog'ini ko'tarib qaytishga harakat qilaman, Xudo xolasa.
Yes, so for my fans, and I want to say thank you for support, like you know, and I want to win this fight, and I want to come back home, and I'm enjoying, and I want to say thank you for my fans, like.
And then last question: if Brian Battle is watching this right now, what are a few words you'd like to say to him?
Agar hozir intervyuni ko'rayotgan bo'lsa, Brian Battle nima deb aytolasan uni deb. Bo'lmasa gaping bormi?
Bo'ydan oldin hech qaysi sopernikimga gapirmaganman. Agar u gapirmasa, gapirmaganman. Bunga ham hali gapirish niyatim yo'q hech narsani, lekin agar bakli bo'lganda gapirardim. Hozir endi bu Bunga hech qanaqa gapim yo'q. Xudo xolasa 16 avgust Chikagoda ko'rishamiz.
I never say something for my opponents before the fight, you know. And same with this Brian Battle. And if maybe is right now is I fight with Buckley, of course I want to say something for him, but but I don't want to say something for Battle, and we'll see after fight.
Okay, what are a few words for Buckley then?
Hadi.
Buckley for Buckley,
Yeah, what are a few words for Buckley?
nima aytaylik Buckley?
Bakliga nima aytardim? Bakliga sen bilan tayyor bo'lmaganda urushganman. Menga vaqt bersang UFC sen bilan tayyor holatda chiqay, senga boshqacha bo'y ko'rsataman. Shu.
I want to say Buckley, I fight with you without fight camp, you know. I need a couple months for fight camp. I wanna show you my skills
Different.
and different. I wanna show with different levels, you know.
Are you gonna win? Are you gonna knock him out?
Maybe knock him out.
All right. Well, I thank you. Thank you for joining everybody watching this. That's a little bit about Uzbekistan, and good luck on your next fight.
Thank you. Futbolga zo'r chiqibdi, rahmat.
Your t-shirt is very good. Thank you. Say thank you so much.